Welcome back, everyone. I'm Jenny Montgomery. Brad's off tonight. Thanks so much for joining us. Coverage you can count on continues with one community parking their cars and firing up their boats to get home. With more rainfall coming tomorrow, the problems could be disastrous. News Channel 6's Renetta Dubose joins us now live from Girard. And Renetta, you've talked to people in those affected areas about how they're preparing tonight.
Jenny, we're in the Stony, Bluffs South community, and many people have already left here. You can probably see the water that is behind me. Well, there is a road underneath.
If it wasn't underwater, you can drive down the road, but you can't even see the road now. Yeah, that's the bank.
Tina Laurie can't get home.
This is the river.
Except by boat. She and her husband live in the Stony Bluffs South community with at least a dozen others, all homes along the Savannah River threatened by floodwaters.
Well, we've been keeping track of it. We keep track of it every day. And like I say, we live downriver, so we come down here. It started rising pretty good about 3 or 4 days ago.
Roads are completely water covered. Homes have diminishing stairs, boat docks, and anything in what was once the front yard.
Well, our houses are on stilts, so the lower part of the houses are underwater, but for the most part, the houses, they're not underwater, but everything that we have down there has been destroyed.
Laurie says this isn't anything new. Flooding happened last year and back in 2015. As the Army Corps of Engineers decides whether to release the floodgates, it could be detrimental to Stony Bluff South.
Augusta, we have been lucky because they've been maintaining, but unfortunately, to keep Augusta safe, they end up pushing more excess water downstream, and it's really starting to hurt some folks downstream.
Flood stage is at 330 feet, and when I spoke with the Army Corps of Engineers just this morning, we were just 3 feet above that at 333 feet. Now, they typically release those floodgates around 335 feet, but depending on rain, we will just have to wait and see what happens. For now, live in Girard, Renetta Dubose, WJBF News Channel 6. Back to you, Jenny.